Hello everybody, in this video I will be unboxing this Xiaomi Vacuum Cleaner Mini. I'll open it up and I'll show you the model version. Let me open this up right here. Okay, so here we go. Corner's a bit damaged. It's a bit of a broken box here. So this model is SSX CQ01XY. It has approximately 0.5 kilograms, white in color. It's meant to have a battery capacity of 2000 milliamps. It will have the power adapter, but apparently it comes with the wrong power adapter for the country that I'm in. So I'm interested to see what it comes with. These are good for cleaning your keyboard, cleaning other parts of the house. Very portable, easy to use. Let me just open up the top now. Actually, let's actually open up the side. Okay, here we go. Looks like a flask. Just from the first impression, it looks like a flask. It has brush head, long nose brush head, adapter, charging cable, the manual, and yes, it's got the wrong connector. They did send me the adapter, but I prefer not to use this, so I'll use my own adapter. Looks like it's a USB cable anyway, so I can use the USB-A port from another adapter, and the other end is USB-C, which plugs into the actual vacuum cleaner. So let's try the vacuum cleaner. I'll open this up. So yeah, from first impression, yeah, it looks like a flask. In terms of size, let me grab a ruler. It is about 26 centimeters. It's fairly light. It does come with, so you open this up. Nope. This is to open it up, so you make sure if it's red, it's locked. So if this part is red, push it up to the red section, it's locked. You've got to push it down and then press this button. It opens it up, the holder, and then you can throw away all the small rubbish. The charging port is at the bottom, USB-C. So it's got these two adapters here, or connectors. So this connector, you can directly connect to the top here, or it's got this extension nozzle. Just plug it in here, plug it in here, and you'll extend it like that. It's pretty long. It's actually quite long, yeah. So let me turn it on. Yeah, it's blowing air from the bottom when it's on. It doesn't really tell you how much battery is left. I can change the speed. You press it again. So it's got 2 speeds. Looks like it's running out of battery, so I need to charge this. So I'll charge this. If you see the light flashing amber, it means that it needs to be charged. Just like that, you need to charge it. Now this is the original power adapter that I received. It's 2 volt 2 amps, which equates to 10 watts, which came with the converter. I'm not going to use that. What you can use is, this is an iPhone charger. You can use this, or I'm also using a ASUS VivoStick charger. As long as you're using something that equates to 10 watts, you should be able to charge the device. I'm now going to show you how long it takes to charge the Xiaomi vacuum cleaner. Based on my tests, it took 2 hours, 57 minutes and 26 seconds, so roughly 3 hours. I'm now going to show you how long the battery lasts on the Xiaomi vacuum cleaner mini. This is at the first speed setting, which is the least powerful setting, and according to my tests, after a fully charged unit, it lasts for 31 minutes and 59 seconds, so roughly 32 minutes of usage, continuous usage that is. That's how long it lasts. I'm now going to show you how long the battery lasts on this Xiaomi vacuum cleaner. So this is after it's been fully charged, and it's at the highest setting, so the most powerful setting, so it's the second speed, and it lasts for 9 minutes and 50 seconds, so roughly about 10 minutes of continuous use. The vacuum cleaner is now fully charged. I'm gonna vacuum some dust off this keyboard. There is some dust all over this keyboard and also on the laptop here. So let's see how good it is. Put this camera down like this, and let's see. This is the first setting. It's not as powerful, so I'm gonna put the second setting here. Seems to do the job. The thing is that when you're holding the vacuum cleaner, the air comes from the bottom. It seems to like blow air into your body. That's one thing I noticed. It's very quiet. That seems to pick up all those dust particles. That seems to do its job. Don't know how useful it is. Pretty, I can feel the sucking motion on the hand. So whether it's just quicker getting one of those bigger vacuum cleaners and just vacuuming. It is convenient having it portable. The other thing that I noticed is the way you have to hold it. It seems to be have to hold it because of the size. You have to hold it, yeah, like upright, and it does blow into, I don't know, my sleeve. I have sleeves here, so it's blowing into my sleeve. One other thing that I noticed is the way you need to charge this, because the actual charging is at the bottom here. You have to lie the vacuum cleaner on its side, plug in the charging cable like this, plug it in, and then let it charge. It would be good if there was some sort of like a docking station where you can dock this and then it will charge. The other thing is, if you want to disconnect the nozzle, there isn't anything to store this, so it might easily get lost. The nozzle might easily get lost. So having this connected like that all the time does take up a bit of room. And that's it. So I would recommend this if you have some small areas where you want to vacuum. For example, your desk area, just your drawers, side tables, things like that. Or if you wanted to quickly vacuum, then yes, I would recommend this product. Otherwise, just use your normal vacuum cleaner. It might be more powerful than this. Now it's time to clean the unit. Just need to pop this down. When you see the red section, it means it's unlocked, so you just push it down. Just empty all the content. I found that there's some that get stuck into this lever. Just need to pull it out. You can either use your fingers or some tweezers to just clean it up. Still a little bit stuck on the sides. You can also get a little small brush if you really wanted to and just clean it out. I'm just going to quickly show you how to remove the top section to make it easier. So just twist open, so twist it anti-clockwise. The top section will come out from the base and you'll be holding the clear top section. And to remove the filter, you gotta go to the bottom of this plastic container. You just have to twist it to unlock anti-clockwise again, so just anti-clockwise like this, and you see the filter. As you can see, it's fairly dusty and dirty from some of the cleaning that I've been doing. Just need to get a bit of a clean there. Not sure whether you can replace those filters, but there could be some aftermarket filters. Just clean all these little components. You can use a little brush to brush it off if you wanted to. Just give it a wipe. And that's it. That's how you clean the unit. It's pretty easy and straightforward. Once it's all cleaned, you just need to connect it all back together. Just make sure you lock it in. Make sure it's the red section is not visible. So that's the top section. Now putting back the filter. Just drop it in. One thing to check is to make sure that it's locked, so turn that around, and now it's in a lock state. So lock it in, and then lock that into this plastic section, and we're done. That's it. Connect the base back, and we're done. So just to summarize, I'm going to show you how to detach all the different compartments again. So to attach the top part, just twist it to the right, and the base will be removed. Now with the top part with the filter in it, you can remove the bottom filter. You just pull it out, and then to remove the actual filter from the base cover, just twist it open, and then you just put it back in, and that's done. So that's how you remove and replace the top section and the little compartments. Here's some bonus footage for you guys. This is me cleaning some small motherboard. This is an Intel NUC, so I'm just cleaning the dust off this motherboard around the front and the back where the fans are.